Hi, I'm Allie with Maine Heat Pumps and Services. At Maine Heat Pumps and Services, we offer complete installation of industry-leading, high-efficiency heat pump systems to both residential and commercial customers across the great state of Maine. We take pride in our convenient installation process and competitive affordability. Our units operate in both cooling and heating modes, so you can stay cool all summer and warm all winter. And you can have peace of mind knowing that with Mitsubishi's hyper-heating inverter, you can keep cozy even when the true outdoor temperature reaches down to -13 degrees. Our knowledgeable technicians also provide full maintenance and servicing for the entirety of your heat pump system, including diagnosing mechanical issues and annual cleanings, so you can rest assured knowing that your system will be running smoothly and efficiently around the clock. Whatever your needs, our goal at Maine Heat Pumps and Services is to provide every customer with a pleasant experience from start to finish and heat comfort regardless of the conditions outdoors. To learn more and to schedule your free estimate, visit us at mainehps.com. See you soon!